Grey Octopussy. Hey y'all, it's Grey Octopussy and I'm back, but not with UFOs this time. This time, I wanted to cover how people in different locations have been experiencing these fences vibrating and the underground is vibrating like thunder and they don't know what's going on. So there's a lot of activity going on under the ground and it's making these fences vibrate at a high frequency. So I just wanted to cover that. So I'm just gonna let different people's experiences of the floor making sounds and shaking with these vibrations and the fences vibrating at high frequencies. I'ma just let it rip and let you guys see it, because this is Grey Octopussy and I'm all about strange things. So without further ado, let's get it rolling.
Dude, we were driving past this, right by this barn down here. Look at this freaking thing, dude. Why is it shaking? Look at it. It's not windy. Nothing else is shaking. You can't see this one shaking very much, but it is shaking. I'm like scared to touch it. I feel like it's freaking electric. It doesn't seem like it's shaking that fast, but in real life, it's shaking so fast. What the hell is going on? So anyways, seems like we should call someone. Because this is really freaky. What is that?
I'll grab a rake.
You're getting a rake? My son's gonna get a rake. Like, what is that? It's so loud. Like it's, oh, push it. driveway. Go again. I found it. I swear it, you know, it feels like it's right here, like maybe a foot underground, but if I go to dig it, you won't see nothing. Just like the last hole I dug. It's been about a week, but I found it again. I've been looking for days. I hope you guys can hear that.
Yeah, so this is the end of this video, and let me know what you feel, you know, why you think, you know, all these fences and gates are vibrating the way they are, you know, and the underground, you know, what's happening underground, you know, what do you think is happening underground, you know? So, this is Grey Octopussy, signing off and signing out. Peace.
Grey Octopussy.